Hello guys, so for today's video, we will unbox and opening as well a merchandise from the Psycho Jump number 2 2025 issue magazine. Of course, wala akong magazine since hindi naman ako nagko-collect noon, but there is a store, legit store na nakita ko, and they sell yung mga ano lang, yung mga poster, yung mga cards, ganun. So, shout out sa Bad Pirates. They are legit guys. Mga collection din talaga sila guys. They are collectibles. Meron din silang mga cases if you want to buy and to start your TCG business, ganun. Meron din silang mga cases, but again, shout out sa kanila kasi without them, I cannot buy this. And also, yung effort naman nila sa pagbili, pagpila, paghanap ng legit suppliers sa Japan, and yung shipping, ganun. So, no further ado, ito na. Yan guys, Bad Pirates. Matagal na silang nagbibenta and they are so legit. And here is the items. Yan. The Tony Chopper and the Sakamoto Days 2025 calendar. Yan talaga yung habol ko guys. And of course this one, the Sakamoto photo cards. So let's go. So here's what you can get guys dun sa package. Of course, the Sakamoto calendar 2025. Oh my gosh, i-open natin ito mamaya. The Tony Chopper promo card and a Rush Duel card. This one, hindi ako familiar with this anime, Nintamarantaro. Ayan, these are stickers. And of course, the Sakamoto photo cards. We have Shin Asakura, Taro Sakamoto, Natsuki Seba, and Yoichi Nagumo, the shapeshifter, of course, the legendary hitman, and the psychic. Ito, hindi ko pa to alam, pero so far these three, alam ko na, pero hindi pa full potential. So open natin to guys. This is the closer look of the Chopper card. Hindi siya hollow guys. Hindi siya hollow, but the design is so cute. Ayan, giant siya dito eh. Promo card P089. And this one is the Rush Duel. Ayan, hindi ako naglalaro nito, pero I just want to secure it. Baka sakaling may bumili. But this one, ayan. The calendar is very, lang naman, simple lang siya. A cardboard, but here, the instruction. Ganito ata. Yeah. Ganito. Then, insert. This is the January one. So, ayusin lang natin. Ganyan siya guys. Si Shin and si Taro Sakamoto. That is the January. Then, here's the February. Si Lu. And this one is, di ko masyado Heyuk Hex. Yan. Ang ganda guys. Collectible talaga siya. Pwede mong ipaano, pag-grade. Hindi. For keeps to guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Kasi sinadya nilang maliliit lang to para ano pa rin yung calendar. Yung mga design. Grabe, ang ganda. Yeah, this is the January Sakamoto Days 2025 calendar. Ayan. Wait, kinikilig ako. So, yun lang naman guys. Ayan. Tapos itong mga cards. Meron din yung sa likod. Ayan na. So again, thank you so much Bad Pirates for this awesome collection. Ayan. So yun lang guys, and you can contact them if meron pang available nito kasi I'm not sure if guys kung meron pa silang stocks kasi paunahan lang to kasi galing pa to Japan. So yun lang guys, bye.